My lord, almost 10 years back, the high-powered committee has passed an absolutely illegal and arbitrary order declaring thereby that all persons living in the Tehsil Ajlagarh district Patna using the surname Arak are not the scheduled tribe, and in fact they are the persons belonging to Khangar, which is an SC community. Based on this omnibus and arbitrary order, several persons who were Arak ST community since the last 50 years, more than 50 years, their forefathers enjoying the status of ST, lost their jobs, admissions to the colleges, universities, institutions, and right to contest elections on against the reserve post. Now, finally, the state government has agreed that this was a wrong order and they have withdrawn it, reviewed it by order dated 22/8/2024. Now, pursuant to that order, the caste certificates to all these persons belonging to Arak community are being issued. Digital caste certificates have also been issued. And now in my case, the person, this petitioner was working in the establishment of District Court Shivpuri as a contingency driver. He lost the job only on account of this 22/12/2014 arbitrary order of the high-powered committee, which now has been withdrawn.
So your certificate was of which caste?
Arak ST community.
Arak ST.
Yes.
Otherwise you belong to SC community.
No. Since beginning, Arak is an ST community in the presidential list. 1950 presidential order says Arak and Arak. And in English, the Arak and spelling mistake because of the Hindi translation done by the GAD, contrary to the presidential Hindi order. The entire dispute had
Your certificate is in Hindi or English?
in Hindi and English both, sir.
Certificate.
Yes.
By language.
Right.
Come to that certificate.
This is the certificate. This is the latest digital certificate they have issued. And below that, the order of the state government is also, I have filed.
Arak. ARKH. ARAKH.
And in English, it is ARRAKH. Arak. Some persons not very well versed with the English translation, they say it is Arak,
Arak is
a scheduled tribe community since beginnings. And Arak is also a scheduled tribe community.
Arak is also scheduled.
Yes, my lord. Right from 1950 presidential order, and all their forefathers were in.
Then what is problem?
Problem became because of the GAD wrong translated list of in Hindi.
Oh.
So based on that Hindi translation list, P21 in the writ petition of,
When that list was issued?
sir, it was in 78, sir.
1978.
Yes, it is P21 in the writ petition of Dayasankar Arak.
Yes.
And based on that, this order had come of 22/12/2014. Believing that they are not the ST community, they are using the similar surname of Arak as Arak. So this controversy remained alive for almost 10 years. We have been approaching everywhere, every authority. Now finally they have agreed to. This is a wrong translation, and they have finally started giving caste certificate of ST to all persons using the surname as Arak, ARRAKH. That is order is also I have placed along with this digital certificate for 22/12/24. Now, since this earlier order has resulted in loss of employment to the petitioner herein, Dayasankar Arak was working as contingency paid driver in the district court establishment. So he needs to be put back in the service because his caste certificate, in fact, has never been cancelled. Neither on earlier occasion it was cancelled, nor today it is cancelled. It is only they refused to verify on terms of 22/11/12.
Yes.
So my humble submission is now petitioner is entitled to put back in service where he was working as district court contingency paid driver. And P16 is the order of termination passed by the
Since when you are outside the service?
sir 16, 8 years more.
8 years. Yes, what you have to say? You are the contesting party?
No, he is we are in same.
Yeah, you are. Yes, but
My lord, in Learned Senior's case, my lord, the High Court is the contesting party, my lord.
yes, madam.
He was a daily wager employee. Now, as of now, they are saying that as per P6, the caste of Khangar was scheduled caste community actually. So they belong to scheduled caste community. And since they were using the surname of Arak, so therefore an inquiry was conducted. In inquiry, it was found that since you are from Khangar community and that
Which community?
Khangar,
Khangar.
Khangar,
Khangar.
NGAR.
And Khangar.
So since Khangar is scheduled caste community, therefore you cannot use these people of Khangar community started using the surname of Arak. An inquiry was conducted, Lordship. Thereafter, an inquiry that a region outside the vicinity of Patna area, they said that this certificate is not genuine. Accordingly, since there was the order of the collector, termination order was passed after giving full opportunity. Now in 2024, they have come with certain, the state has filed a response, Lordship, which is IA number. This is 24.4. This petition is 24.4.
State has filed in 24.7. हमने क्या अभी हालांकि उस समय भी यही ऑर्डर हुआ था कि हर एक केस का परीक्षण करके देखा जाए, अगर उस जाति समाज के हिसाब से अगर एसटी कम्युनिटी को ही बिलोंग करता है जो कि नोटिफाई की गई है भारत शासन द्वारा, तब उसको प्रमाण पत्र दिया जाए. बट इट वाज गिवन अ सर्टेन इंटरप्रिटेशन. नाउ वी हैव अगेन इशूड एन ऑर्डर जो हमने कि 24.7 में आई हैव ब्रॉट ऑन रिकॉर्ड. 24.7 में आई हैव फाइल्ड एन आईए. उसके साथ एक 22/8/2024 का एक हाई लेवल कास्ट ग्रुप की कमेटी जो माधुरी पाटिल ने कॉन्स्टिट्यूट हुई थी, उसने ये अगेन स्पेसिफाई किया. मैं आखिरी का ऑपरेटिव पोर्शन पढ़ देता हूँ. इसमें लिखा है कि भारत सरकार द्वारा मध्य प्रदेश राज्य के लिए जारी अनुसूचित जनजाति की सूची में अनुक्रमांक 16 पर गौड़ के साथ अरख एवं आरक संपूर्ण मध्य प्रदेश राज्य के लिए जनजाति अधिसूचित है. अनुसार एवं कलेक्टर जिला पन्ना द्वारा प्रेषित प्रतिवेदन के संलग्न प्रेषित अनुभागीय अधिकारी अजयगढ़ जिला पन्ना की रिपोर्ट पर जनजाति अनुसंधान एवं विकास संस्था भोपाल द्वारा प्रदान अभिमत पर समिति द्वारा यह विचार किया गया है कि पन्ना जिले में जाति प्रमाण पत्र आवेदन वाले आवेदकों को आरख जाति के संबंध में नियमानुसार नृजातीय अध्ययन कर निम्नानुसार बिंदु पर जांच की जाकर जाति प्रमाण पत्र जारी किया जाना सुनिश्चित करें, जो निम्नानुसार है. 7 पॉइंट्स आर गिवन कि जनजाति धारकों के रीति रिवाज, गोत्र, टोटम, देवी देवता, अर्थव्यवस्था, वधु मूल्य तथा 1950 की स्थिति, ग्राम की जन उपरोक्त संदर्भित निर्देश के परिप्रेक्ष्य में समिति द्वारा अनुशंसा की जाती है कि सामान्य प्रशासन विभाग के. सो my lord, we have now clarified the things that merely don't go by the nomenclature. अरख या आरक है, तो वो सारे आप जांच करिए. जांच में जो अगर पाया जाता है कि उनके रीति रिवाज वगैरह उससे मैच कर रहे हैं जो कि नोटिफाई की गई है, तो उनको जारी किया जाएगा. So that would serve the resolve the controversy. जैसे my learned senior was just saying that now a fresh caste certificate has been issued to him after this decision was taken. So my lord, my humble submission is that in view of this
fresh caste certificate जो
ST community जो आरक जो नोटिफाई किया गया है,
तो आपको मिल गया ना सर्टिफिकेट?
Sir, I have placed it. I have placed it on record, right, my lord.
So then your grievance is you to be regularized.
I should be taken back to the service because only because of this 22/12/14.
Now, if that is the position we have taken, have you placed on record all these things?
ये हाई कोर्ट के एम्प्लॉयमेंट में थे, तो इनके इंडिविजुअल फैक्ट्स
You're not on record.
No.
Certificate
You
is not-
just to this effect, you just file an affidavit
जी
so that we can dispose of these appeals accordingly.
एफिडेविट टू द इफेक्ट my lord.
Affidavit to the effect that now inquiry has been conducted and they have given a ST certificate now again.
नहीं, all cases are different my lord. they have applied, they have obtained now. जी.
जिन केसेस में मिला है उनको एसटी, उनका बताइए। जिनमें एसटी नहीं मिला, एससी मिला, तो उनको
अब वो
बता
ठीक
दीजिए।
है, जिसको नहीं मिला वो
नहीं, जैसे पहला जो केस है सर, पहले केस में उनका रिवाज ये है कि पंचायत ने एडवर्टीजमेंट जो निकाला उसमें लिख दिया, ये P9 है, उसमें एक पैरा 7 में लिख दिया कि खंगार, आरख एवं राय जाति के लोगों को अनुसूचित जाति में रखा गया है, अनुसूचित जनजाति में नहीं प्रचार प्रसार किया जाए। ये जनपद पंचायत अजयगढ़ जिला पन्ना ने इश्तिहार निकाला, विज्ञापन निकाला नियुक्ति के लिए।
The all facts you have mentioned in your reply.
हाँ, मतलब वो reply अब now fades into insignificance क्योंकि
So
अब
better, that's why better you say you file an affidavit so that you can apprise this court what is the new development thereafter, so that those who comes under that SC category, they will have the benefit. Those who comes in SC category, they will be out of it.
but they have to apply, their case would be examined. So better they should file their affidavit, then we will file a counter affidavit. Yes.
No, they said the new certificate has been issued to them.
हाँ, इन आपके केस में एक नया सर्टिफिकेट ये बोल रहे हैं।
सब केस में SC certificate issue हुआ।
most of the persons have been granted, sir.
नहीं,
According
आपके
to
केस में
my-
हो गया, बाकी क्या
I'm making confining to my case.
सुनो, कन्फाइंड आपका केस है क्योंकि इश्यू सेम,
जी,
तो जिसमें नहीं हुआ आप सर्टिफिकेट लेके आइए। सर्टिफिकेट
ठीक है सर, very good, very perfect.
Counsel counsel appearing on behalf of the appellant submit that in most of the cases again ST certificate has been issued.
ST certificate.
ST, yes, ST certificate has been issued except the few cases, and seek time to obtain the certificate, SC certificate, and before the next hearing. After 2 weeks, 3 weeks, how
1 week, sir, I'll do it.
within 2 weeks, at least after 2 weeks.
Then it lists-
Sir, my certificate is already on record.
एक मिनट, आपका तो है, जिसके है वो तो है। Make it week commencing 15 January.
So my certificate is there, my lord. It
Yes,
is on the
if their
record.
certificate is there, so we'll dispose of all those who are out. They will either withdraw.
So my lord, my case may kindly be disposed of because this man is out of employment, poor man, suffering only because of this.
It's a matter of 2-3 weeks only, or you make it instead of that 6 January.
My lord, God bless you.